Jai Hind, my lovely students. I hope you would be well and studying well. Welcome to Shweta's Study World. Now, today I have brought this poem from class 10. The name of this poem is The Ball Poem by John Berryman. This poem is in class 10's first flight book. Okay, so I hope this video will be a learning video for you all. In this video I will talk about the poet and the layout of the poem. I will talk about what is the message in the poem and what it is all about, and in my next video I will talk about the detailed explanation of the poem. So carry on. Now, talking about John Berryman, he was an American poet, okay, and scholar. So he was an American poet and scholar, and he is popularly known for his creation called the Dream Songs, which was published in 1969. And for this particular creation, he has got Pulitzer Award. So, the ball poem is also one of his creation. Okay, so which we will study in this video. Okay, so talking about the ball poem, here the ball is, see my drawing is not very good, but I am trying to do it. So here ball is loss. Okay, so ball is compared with the losses which we bore in our life, the loss which we face in our life. Maybe it could be a loss of a thing. When we are child, we lose our toys, we lose our books. When we are grown up, we lose opportunities, we lose somebody who is very dear to us. So here the ball means loss. So in this sense, when the ball is compared with losses what we bear in our life, this poem becomes a metaphoric poem. Okay, this becomes a metaphoric poem. Now what is metaphor? When we compare two things without the words of comparison is known as metaphor, right? So this poem becomes the metaphoric poem. Now what is there in this poem? Now the poet is saying that once he saw a small boy. Now what this boy was doing? This boy was playing with this ball. Okay, this boy was playing with this ball, and then what happened? This ball he kicked while playing, and this ball went down in a water body. Okay, in a water body, the ball submerged, it went down. Okay, now this poet is watching the reaction of the boy. Okay, this poet is watching the reaction of this boy, and this boy is shivering with with the loss. He is not ready to accept that he has lost the ball. He is watching the ball, and he is shivering. What happened to the ball? Okay, now this poet is watching his reaction. Now here the poet is saying that if I would have tried, I would have consoled the boy. How he would have consoled the boy? Consoled the boy by giving him a new ball. Okay, so he's saying that I would have consoled the boy by giving him a new ball. But what he wanted, because here the poet is saying that a new ball will come of a dime. What is dime? Dime is a unit of currency. So the cost of ball is not so much. He could have purchased it in a dime, and he would have gifted the ball to that boy so that he could come out from his loss, from his grief. Okay, so now, but what poet wanted? He wanted that this boy should understand his first responsibility. Now, what is our first responsibility? That if we are possessing anything, we should take care of it. And if we have lost something, it could be in terms of any materialistic thing, maybe our relationship, maybe our any person to whom we are very closely associated. If we have lost that person, we should know to come out of that grief. Okay, I know the coming out from the grief is not a one day game, children. Okay, it takes a long time. Okay, but you should know, you should understand that it is the process of life, that something, if it has come, it has to go away. Nothing is permanent in this world, in this universe. Okay, so if a thing has been made, or something is born, that thing has to die, that someone has to die. And we should understand the epistemology of loss. Now, the very important word which the poet is giving here is epistemology. Now, this is a science of losing something. Epistemology is the science of losing something. So you have to understand this word epistemology, and you have to realize that something, if it has come, it has to go. Okay, and yeah, we are human beings. We are empathetic, we are sympathetic, we are kind, we are polite. We can associate with someone, we can realize that pain. But yes, we should also know that how to come up from that pain. So this was the, it was about the poem. In my next video, I will explain line by line this poem. So be tuned. My next video I will upload in a day or two. But for that, you have to subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share it. Thank you, and Jai Hind.